Get paid $20 every 10 minutes on complete autopilot with this brand new passive income online business. You can receive payments directly into your PayPal, Pioneer, or even your bank account. If PayPal is not available in your country, you can get money in your local bank account. So, hit that like button and let's start with step number 1. Come over to a tool called Unsplash.com. Unsplash is an incredible website where you can find all sorts of free yet stunning stock photos, illustrations, wallpapers, 3D renders, and more. But don't worry, you won't need to sell or click on any pictures here. Instead, we'll use these images to set up a passive income stream that could earn you $20 every 10 minutes. Once you're on Unsplash, type dog in the search bar and hit enter. You'll see tons of cute dog images, but what you need to focus on are images of dogs either standing or sitting, with only one dog in the frame. For example, if you like this image, I want you to click on it and then click the download free button to download this image. After that, I want you to download more dog images. Download at least 5 to 10 images of dogs, cats, or other pets that you like. You can also grab high-quality pet images from sites like Pexels or Pixabay for totally free. Now, let me show you why we are downloading these pet images. If I show you this online shop, you can see that they are selling custom pet phone cases, custom pet pillows, custom pet mugs, custom pet stickers, and many other custom products using pet photos. And the best part? The shop owner doesn't need to create images or design their product because the customers provide the photos of their pets. They use a service called Printify for all that. Printify handles the printing and shipping, and the shop owner just takes the profits. One more good thing is that you don't need to spend money upfront on Printify for printing and shipping. Printify only takes its cut of cost when you get sales on your product. So it's a win-win situation for both. The shop owner and Printify are the same people like you and me, but the only difference is that they are making over $2,000 a day selling these products, which they don't even create and ship themselves. It's all possible thanks to a business model called print on demand. It's just a simple drop shipping of phone cases, mugs, and t-shirts. You just use images to create designs, and suppliers like Printify to provide you white label products like phone cases, mugs, and t-shirts. You can print your design on these white label products. Printify directly integrates with stores like Etsy and all the other e-commerce stores available out there, making this process even easier to do. In this print-on-demand model, the customer will provide you with a photo of their pet, and all you have to do is upload that pet photo to the item they wanted to be printed on, and Printify will take care of everything. The design you've uploaded will be printed on the item and directly shipped to the customer without you ever having to do any of the work yourself. I hope you have understood how things work here. Now, the step number 2 is to come over to Printify.com. I've given the link of this website in the description. You can directly open it from there. Printify is a print-on-demand platform that offers all kinds of white label products, from phone cases to t-shirts that you can customize with your designs. All you have to do is pick out one of these products and upload some designs to it, whether it is an image, text, or drawing. After this, you can list your items on different e-commerce stores like Etsy, Amazon, eBay, or Printify's own store. Printify pop-up. So, whenever someone buys your items from these stores, the order will be fulfilled by Printify, and you will get your profits from that sale. Now, let me show you some successful stores. You can see this store called ModPaw US. It has sold over 169,000 items till now. They are just selling custom pet phone cases, pet t-shirts, and pet mugs. They are selling these items for $19, $31, and even $9. If we take $10 as average and do some calculations, they have already earned $1.6 million with just this store alone. And don't worry, if Etsy is not available in your country, you can use other stores like Amazon, eBay, etc. to sell your items. According to me, this is the easiest and simplest business by far that you can use to make money online. Now, let me show you one more store that is using this same business model. This store is called Artsif Official. They are also selling similar custom pet items, anywhere from $5 to $12, but they are making unique designs to stand out from other stores, so you can take inspiration from this store. This store has got over 54,000 sales till now and generated around $100,000 in revenue. Now, for step number 3, open this Printify website from the description of this video and create an account for yourself. Once you log in, your dashboard will look like this. From here, click on My New Store and select the Add a New Store option. That's going to take you to this page where you can connect your e-commerce store like Etsy, Amazon, Shopify, TikTok, etc. After this, I want you to click on Catalog, and from here, you can select the item one by one. Want to add to your store, like phone cases, mugs, or t-shirts. Now, let me show you how to design these items. Starting with phone cases, just click on it. That's going to take you to this page, where you can see lots of white label phone cases for iOS and Android both. Just select the phone case you like. I'm selecting this one. On this page, you will see different mock-up images for your phone cases. You just need to scroll down a bit and press the Start Designing button from here. That's going to take you to this page where you can start designing your phone case. For designing phone cases, we need to upload our dog's images to Printify that we have downloaded earlier. Just click where it says Upload. Select My Device option from there and upload the dog image from your computer that you want to paste onto the item. The image will be put on your item. Now we need to edit and adjust it a little bit so it looks good on the phone case. As we can see, this image has a background. And if we take a look at other shop items, you can see none of them have a background, so we need to remove this background first. Good thing is that you don't need to go to another website to remove this background. We can use the background remover from Printify itself. Printify has all the necessary tools you need to make your design more attractive. To remove the background from our image, click on this icon and a pop-up window will open up where we can remove the background from the image manually using this eraser as you're seeing on your screen, or you can just press the quick remove button and in just a few seconds, Printify will automatically remove the background from our image. After that, we need to click apply and our image without a background will now be available for us on our item. We just need to adjust our image a little bit, so place it at the center of our phone case. Once you've adjusted the image, click on the Add Text option from the left and select a font for your text. I'm going with this font for now, but feel free to choose any font you like from here. Adjust the text on top of our dog image, just like this. You can add some motivational lines, or you can just enter the name of the dog. For example, we can name it Tame, and that's it. Our first item is ready. Printify offers many tools to design your items, like the AI Image Generator tool. Just click on it, and a pop-up window opens where you can generate AI images with a simple text prompt. First, select the style for your image. I'll select the anime style because I'm going to create a cute image for our item. I'll enter a simple prompt for our dog image, like a cute and happy dog on a white background, and press the Generate Image button. The more detailed your prompt, the better the image will be. As you can see, the Printify AI Image Generator has created a very cute dog image that we can use for our phone case mockup. Printify offers many tools like this to improve your image and make it even better. Once your design looks perfect, click Preview to see how it will appear in real life. On this page, you can see different previews of your phone case design. You'll see that our design looks amazing, and if you don't like something, you can click the Edit button and keep editing until it looks good to you. If you're happy with the design, just click Save Product to save this design to your Printify account, which you can find under My Products in your account. In this way, you can create different products on Printify, connect your Etsy shop, or any other online shop, and integrate both. And when someone buys an order from your shop, it goes straight to Printify, and Printify will print the product and ship it to the customer's location, handling all the printing and shipping charges. They'll deduct these charges from your sale amount and give you the profit. Printify is the best platform to create and sell custom designed products. You don't need to invest any money to create or design your products. Just download pet images, upload your designs to Printify products, connect your Printify shop to Etsy, and boom, you'll be able to generate money like these shops are earning. You will start earning $20 per minute in a few months after you set up this system. Once again, I'll leave a link to Printify in the description of this video. You can register from there and start making money today. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.